Hello and welcome to project 9 of electromechanical robotic systems. In this project, we learned about computer vision and converting images into different formats using different functions. For example, convert it into grayscale, binary, cropping images, um, uh, uh, dilating and eroding images to get silhouette of the particular image, understanding the angle of the image, and much more. In this project, our task is that we have an image that shows a pen which is at different orientations. Uh, Considering it's working on a conveyor belt, we will have a camera that will scan the pen and gets its orientation, and then our servo motor will move that pen to change its orientation in the opposite angle such that we get the exact orientation that we need for the particular pen. For that, we already have images. We can see over here we have all these particular pen orientations, and this is the servo motor that is supposed to um, simulate the movement of it. Um, as far as connections are concerned, it's pretty simple. My servo is connected to ground 5 volt and pin 9, and then I have an RGB LED connected via 220 ohm resistors to pin number 567. That's all the connection we have. The most important part of it is the code here. So I will just show what the code is. We have here we are introducing the telemetrics and apply. These are all the pin numbers. This is the LED setup. These are all functions that I'm declaring, so these functions will be used further in the code, just to like reduce the amount of code that we have to repeat. So this is something that we generally use, but show image will help us do that. Then we have process image, which is the very important part of this. To process the image, we first convert from BGR to gray using BGR to gray. Then this is something that AI suggested me do. Gaussian blur just helps with getting a cleaner background, which I still could not achieve, but it does kind of help. Then I have the threshold binary to convert it into a binary. um, and then this is to get a white background. um, then I have the kernel 5.5 and np8. This is erode and dilate to actually I have used 3 and 2 iterations in order to get the best result, which is not the best but the best that I could achieve. um, then this is get angle, is to get the angle of the pen on the particular image. um, so this is like a test code in which it prints my grayscale image, my threshold like binary image, and a clean image. uh, so you can see this is the original, this is binary, and this is clean, which is not very clean. But because this background is not clean, it's not it's giving me those results. um, then I have this actual like main code in which actually runs the entire process for all the 12 images, and returns my values. This is just to ensure that I was referring the right folder. um, the entire project required a lot of troubleshooting, and I still could not get the best output, but I will try and run it to show the output that I am getting right now. So I'll run it from here. Run, 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 and this is the main main code that I need to run. Main code ran, and this is the final code that I will run now. And you see it turned green. It turned the first image. Now after 5 seconds it will take the second image. Where did it go? Yeah, second image, then the third image, and it's also changing the servo accordingly. The fourth image did not have any thing on it, but as soon as the fifth image came, it changed. This is back to the flat one. You see, this was this way. It turned it around the other way. Yeah, this was this way, and then this one was this way. So it's actually working. This is the final one. Yep. And after it's done, it says finish all images. For a certain part of the code, I did use AI to get some help, but particularly I also understood all the code and tried to iterate it using the previous learnings from this week. I'm trying to improve this, but I'm not sure why is this not like working the best way possible. So I'll do 127 and check just for trying it out. Yep, even 127 is not working. So I've tried like for most part everything that I could to make the image the best way possible, but other than that, you see it's getting all the exact angle of the pen and the way the servo is moved. So I have -5 degrees, the servo is 90 minus 6 degrees, so servo is 90 minus 6 at 84 degrees. That's how it's all working. So that's it. Project 9, I will upload this code in txt format, the link for this code. Thank you.